Hello everyone. The learning of the case that we are going to discuss hereinafter is being the husband is not enough to prove guilt under section 498A of IPC, and the case was Yasodip Bisan Rao Vadode versus the state of Maharashtra and another, and the judgment came on 21st October 2024. If we analyze the case, if we analyze the fact of the case, it starts from a person named Renu Khate, who was victim, was married to Rajesh Jagan Karote, that is accused number 1, on 11/12/2008. Rajesh and his relative allegedly demanded 5 lakh rupees for purchasing a residential flat and subjected her to mental and physical cruelty. Now, on 16 April 2011, Renuka admitted to Sion Hospital, Mumbai, and she later died under suspicious circumstances. Her body had injury marks like abrasion and ligature marks, raising suspicion on unnatural death. FIR was filed, and several relatives, including the husband of one of the sister-in-law, the appellant here, were charged under Section 498A of IPC, that is cruelty by husband or his relatives, and Section 34 IPC, that is common intention. Now, what Supreme Court found this in this case, that the appellant, who is Yashodip, who was the husband of Savita, that is accused number 2, had joined the family only after 26 October 2010. That was the date of his marriage. The cruelty and dowry demands allegedly started in 2010, much before he became part of the family. No prosecution witness specifically stated that the appellant committed any act of cruelty, and the court emphasized that merely being a relative is not enough to hold someone guilty under Section 498A of IPC. The judgment quoted the earlier ruling in Preeti Gupta versus the state of Jharkhand, warning courts against blindly accepting exaggerated or false allegations. The court also observed that the lower court wrongly convicted the appellant using Section 34 IPC, assuming he shared a common intention with other accused without any concrete proof. The Supreme Court called this finding perverse, as there was no evidence to connect him with offense. And finally, the conviction under Section 498A IPC with the aid of Section 34 IPC was set aside by Supreme Court. The appellant was also acquitted, and the Supreme Court also stated the court must carefully scrutinize allegations, specifically when multiple family members are accused without clear proof. What gonna be the conclusion of this case? That this case shows that being a husband or relative alone does not prove guilt under dowry or cruelty laws, and actual evidence of cruelty is necessary, and courts must grant against false or exaggerated complaints and avoid punishing innocent people due to assumptions. So, thank you.